Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate word stress, syllable stress and intonation in English, okay? The first statement is the next. We are going to word stress and falling intonation, okay? Pay attention to the example. I love learning English because it opens many opportunities. So, well, we are going to continue with the second statement, and we are going to work in this statement word stress and rising intonation, okay? So, the example is the next. Are you ready to start the lesson today? Well done. We are going to end our exercise with the third statement. We are going to work in this statement word stress and falling intonation. The example is the next. My favorite activity is reading interesting books. So, thanks for watching my video and see you in the next exercise. Take care and goodbye.